Dust.
Temporary Band-Aid. Keep out the local riffraff. Now we can get out. The green board's going in the interior of the bathroom. And that way we can splash and make a mess and it'll be safe. Right on. So that router bit has a round spot, and so you can use the metal just as a guide. That's so cool. We got marine air coming through. Not uncommon here in Dungeness Valley. Sometimes it looks like smoke. It moves quickly with the wind. I put in a temporary cat door so Lily can get in and out of the garage, which is now covered. Look at the green room we have now. Once it's all primed, taped and primed, it will no longer be green. Still have some white up there. That's some tight drywall work. Moving on to the exterior of the bathroom. I only got the end of that. It is a small bathroom. When it's enclosed, I'm hoping that they will find the problem in the overheating and Is there a certain gap that should be kept at the floor?
If it's cement, yes, but not really for this. This is fine.
Of course, we have flooring that's going on next, and there'll be edging. That's a pretty cool tool. Yeah, it's got.
I shoot for about a 1/2 inch.
Yeah. You don't want to butt up against it, but look at that. I like that tool. I won't be buying one soon, though. Just about boxed in. Wow. Now we're going to leave a small piece of drywall off of this platform so that we can do a visual inspection of the plumbing, just to make sure there are no leaks. The last section of drywall. The inside of the walls are soon to be concealed, ideally forever. Yeah, that's a perfect amount of a gap. With a flashlight, we should be able to see what we need. My battery's dead. Resort to the manual method of battery dead. That door is getting replaced. What a difference. I'm gonna patch the side of this garage door opening. Lots of progress today. Enclosed bathroom, some new light switches, our temporary covered garage door with a cat door. I hope temporary is very temporary.